Every year, billions of chickens are raised on industrial farms to produce millions of eggs. But have you ever wondered how this process actually works? From raising the chickens to collecting and processing their eggs, it's a fascinating journey. So let's take a closer look at how millions of chickens are raised and processed to bring you the eggs you eat every day. The modern industrial farm is the key to producing the massive quantities of eggs that we rely on. These farms typically raise specialized breeds of chickens, known as layers, which are selected for their ability to produce a high volume of eggs. Layers can be found all over the world, with some of the most popular breeds including white leghorns, Isa browns, and Rhode Island reds. These chickens are typically kept in large poultry houses that can contain tens of thousands of birds. The poultry houses are designed to maximize efficiency and control the environment in which the chickens live. They're usually dimly lit and have slatted floors that allow for easy removal of waste. The chickens are fed and watered through automated systems that ensure they always have access to food and water. To increase egg laying, farmers often use artificial lighting systems to regulate the chickens' biological cycles. This helps the chickens to produce eggs at a steady rate throughout the year. The chickens are typically kept inside the poultry houses until they reach around 18 weeks old when they begin laying eggs. At this point, the eggs are collected several times a day by workers who gather them up and place them on conveyor belts. The eggs are then transported to processing units where they're cleaned, graded, and inspected for quality and safety standards. The processing plants that handle these millions of eggs daily are highly efficient operations. The eggs are typically processed in a series of automated machines that wash, sort, and grade them according to size, weight, and quality. Any eggs that don't meet the required standards are removed and either reprocessed or used for other purposes. Once the eggs have been cleaned and graded, they're ready for packaging. They're usually packed into cartons or trays and then sealed and labeled. From there, they're transported to stores where consumers can purchase them. The journey from farm to table is a complex process that involves many steps. It takes about 16 weeks to raise a chicken for meat and about 260 hens to produce 1 ton of eggs. But despite the complexity of the process, it's important to remember that it's made possible by the hard work and dedication of farmers, processors, and distributors. They work tirelessly to bring us the eggs we need to make our favorite breakfast dishes, baked goods, and more. In addition to the efforts of the people involved in the process, modern technology has also made significant contributions to the efficiency of egg production, from automated feeding and watering systems to artificial lighting and climate control. These technologies have helped farmers to maximize productivity while minimizing waste. However, as technology continues to improve, it also raises questions about animal welfare and ethical treatment. Many people are concerned about the living conditions of chickens on industrial farms and the impact of mass egg production on the environment. As a result, there's a growing movement towards more sustainable and ethical egg production methods, such as free-range and organic farming. Despite these concerns, the industrial farming of chickens for eggs remains a common practice worldwide. In fact, it's estimated that over 200 billion eggs are produced each year. That's enough to fill a truck with eggs every second for an entire year. Whether you're a fan of industrial farming practices or not, it's clear that the process of bringing eggs to your plate is a complex and fascinating one. From the chickens that lay them to the machines that process them, there are countless people and technologies involved in making this everyday staple a reality. So next time you crack an egg, take a moment to appreciate the journey that it took to get there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to like and share this video. Also, check out these other videos that we think you might like.